Google has been a go-to partner for decades, but as of now, AI like ChatGPT is changing the game. So which one is better in 2025? Let's compare ChatGPT versus Google search. Welcome to This versus That, where we break down the best choices so you can decide what's right for you. Today, we are putting two giants head to head, ChatGPT and Google search. Speed and simplicity. Google gives you thousands of links in a second, but you still have to dig for what you want. While ChatGPT, it gives direct answers, like talking to a smart assistant. Winner for speed. ChatGPT when the question is clear. Accuracy and reliability. Google pulls results from real-time websites. While ChatGPT can sometimes give outdated info unless it's connected to the web. So for current events and fresh data, Google takes the trophy. Depth and understanding. Ever Googled something and had to visit 5 sites to understand it? Well, it happens. While ChatGPT explains complex topics in simple words, it even remembers your follow-up questions. For explanations and learning, ChatGPT is the winner. User experience. Google feels like a search tool. This is what it is. While ChatGPT feels like a conversation and is more appealing. It depends on what you prefer, clicking versus chatting. But for those who like AI interactions, ChatGPT edges forward. Cost and access. Google is 100% free and has no paid version, while ChatGPT also has a free version, but for the best features. You need ChatGPT Plus, so for full access without spending. Google wins here. Final verdict. If you want quick facts and real-time data, Google search is still the king. But for deeper understanding, explanations, and creative help, ChatGPT is the future. Use both smartly, that's the real power. Which one do you use more, ChatGPT or Google? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic comparisons only on This versus That. Thanks for watching the video.